Hello everyone, I'm Georgia and today I'll guide you around a Bruno Abbate Primatist G41 registered in 2010. A great solution to join comfort but keeping a sporty feeling. This hardtop has a spacious sunbed in stern, a dinette and wet bar with induction plates. The helm station has a big bench, chart plotter touchscreen Garmin, autopilot, chain counter, and bow thruster. In the interior, we have light colors, and the space is split in a galley with two plate induction stove, microwave, and fridge. And furthermore, two double beds cabin with ensuite bathrooms. The engine compartment, we can find two 370 horsepower Volvo Penta D6 and a generator 5 kilowatt mains. This boat has been kept in meticulous way, both technically and cosmetic side. Our short tour is over. Thank you for watching. We are at your disposal for any further information. You can find our complete listing on yachty.it. Follow us on all social media and see you next time.